Today we're going to learn about the idea of value in drawing. So I want you to write value for drawing vocabulary. And the definition of value is how light or how dark something is. Value is how light or how dark something is. So we're going to flip it over to the other side once you've completed that. And the concept that we're covering right now is value. What are the characteristics of value? How light, how light, how dark. Gives us a reminder on this side. And then when we're making our value notes today, what I want you to do is draw 3 lines going across the square or the rectangle space and divide that into many different lines this way. And we're going to start out with creating a gradation. A gradation is showing many different values. So light is going to be down here. We're going to work our way all the way to dark on the other end. We're going to do that using many different techniques. One way that we'll do that is using hatching. I'm in a little closer here. Hatching, we're going to use cross hatching. We're going to use blending. I'm going to show you stippling. Oh, wrong way. Okay. When we're talking about hatching, I want you to create, hatching, the definition of that is parallel lines to create a value. And so I'm starting out with my light value and I'm going all the way across my whole entire gradation. And when I move to my second one, now I'm increasing the value by adding more lines. And I'm going to bring that all the way across again. Third value, third section, I add more lines. I bring that all the way across. I'm going to ask you to just hold off from actually participating in this. I'm just showing you how you're going to do this. So if you could rest your pencils, that'd be great. So I want you to first try hatching when I tell you to, going all the way across, starting with the very lightest, going to the darkest. Cross hatching is a similar motion. I'm going to do about half of this. When you move to another gradation or darker value, you're going to cross hatch. Then the third one, you can hatch again, but maybe this time you go vertical. Then maybe you go horizontal. Then maybe you increase your diagonals as well, so that you end up getting darker and darker all the way across. Blending. Blending is using the side of your pencil, starting out very, very light, ending at the very dark end where it's black. You can't see anything but the dark value. And I want to see a light to dark over here. And then stippling, this is where you use dots to create your value. Now there's different ways to use dots. One way is the way that I'm doing right now, and I'm pretty sure you can't hear what's going on. This is the way 8th graders like to do it. Don't do it that way. Just lightly bring your pencil up and down. I'm not making noise. I'm not being annoying. I'm being a little annoying, I see. Okay. All right, so you want to do a few stipples over here and increase the dot pattern over here to be very, very dark. All right, so go ahead and create your own values on your notes right now.